At SABIC, we believe sustainability is about resilience. By embedding sustainable practices and setting ambitious targets, we will build strong foundations and the resilience to enable us to thrive in the future. The unprecedented events of 2020 underscored the importance of sustainability to business and society. At the start of the COVID-19 crisis, we immediately took action to ensure the safety of our global workforce and support communities through CSR initiatives. Our materials helped develop life-saving medical and protective equipment that were essential to care for patients and prevent the spread of infection. The crisis also brought a renewed sense of urgency to our ongoing sustainability priorities. We continued to work towards our 2025 targets to lower carbon emissions, reduce water and energy consumption, and increase resource efficiency. We are taking action to help address climate change. We are developing a robust climate roadmap and science-based targets that will put our business on the path to carbon neutrality. In 2020, we maintained a B rating in CDP climate change disclosure. We are working towards our renewable energy target to install 4 gigawatt renewable capacity by 2025 and 12 gigawatt by 2030. And meanwhile, we are continuously investing in renewable projects in our manufacturing plants. We remain committed to our vision of a circular economy for used plastic. In 2020, we built on the success of our True Circle portfolio and services and developed collaborations with partners in new markets, including personal hygiene, cosmetics, and commodity chemicals. We also developed a closed-loop service offering to facilitate new cross-value chain efforts. Through pioneering pilot projects, we demonstrated that closing the loop on used plastic is achievable. We have worked hard to ensure that sustainability is embedded in our approach to innovation across the business. Since 2017, we have followed a portfolio sustainability assessment framework to help us set targets at portfolio level and develop new sustainable product solutions. Together with Saudi Aramco, we successfully demonstrated the world's first blue ammonia production and shipment from Saudi Arabia to Japan for zero carbon power generation. And this year, SABIC was honored to have 3 of our innovation solutions selected as finalists for 2021 Edison Best New Product Awards. The past year reinforced the importance of collaboration to develop sustainable solutions. We are collaborating on an unprecedented scale with peers, industry associations, customers, and the wider supply chain to develop cutting-edge products, designs, and recycling technologies. In addition, SABIC has spent $39.6 million in 2020 on CSR projects to address specific community needs in 34 countries. At SABIC, we know our people are critical to our success. That's why we strive to lead the chemical industry in attracting, developing, and retaining the very best talent through a number of initiatives. At SABIC, we are transforming everything we do. By fully integrating sustainability across our business, we will help to tackle the urgent global challenges we face and rebuild society so we can thrive responsibly. Join us as we work towards a more resilient and sustainable future for people and planet. It's what we call chemistry that matters.